feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No.
Hi everyone, so this is the everyday makeup look that I created from your request, and this is the everyday makeup look that I carry in weekends and in the days that I have to spend a lot of time outside. And yes, I hope you will going to like this and it will help you out. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like it, and hit on the bell button to get more notifications whenever I am going to posting any video. So in first I am using a sanitizer before my makeup. It is really important to sanitize your hands before you do anything to your face. And yes, this is what I'm doing, and I'm using this Patanjali aloe vera gel, and you know I love this gel much, and apply it before my makeup. Then sunscreen, I'm using Neutrogena sunscreen and I'm applying it all over my face. Then for my base makeup, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation and just dotting out all over my skin properly so that I can cover all the area of my face. And I'm going to use a beauty blender, damp beauty blender, to blend it out to give a even tone look into my face. And yes, I'm just doing that. I'm also using it as a concealer to cover all the area, and you can see the coverage of this foundation. It is amazing and phenomenal, and I love this foundation quite a bit, and it just fill in the pores also and give a very nice and good surface to your skin. And I'm just use a setting spray now. I'm using the rose water to spray it out all over my face so that the foundation just melts down into my skin and settles down. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it or damp it once more so that it just melts into my skin properly and give me a long lasting finish. And you can see it how quite will be looking glowy and finished look. Then I'm filling my brows using this nude Tude palette from the Balm ADS. And filling your brows really very important step in makeup, because brow just define your face, so that I'm doing that. And you can see the difference from my two brow, how it is looking now and before. And yes, I'm doing that. Then I will move to my kajal, and in kajal I'm using this Faces Magnetic Kajal and filling my lower part of my eye, and also I'm going to use it as an eyeliner in my upper part of my eyelid, because it will going to give a smoky line in my eyes, and that I like the most, and just simple and super. And for my mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. And yes, I love this mascara and it is an awesome one. Then in blush on, I'm using this Blue Heaven Diamond blush on, and I'm just using it as an highlighter because it works more like a highlighter in the skin, and you can see the highlighting points, and it is so shiny and good. I love it. It is so natural. And dusting out the excess thing from my skin using a powder brush, a clean powder brush, and it will going to give a nice finish to my skin. And for the final step, the lipstick, I'm using the MAC Glamista liquid lipstick, and it is in the scent Mauve. I love this shade, guys. It is so good. I love dark color whenever I'm going out for a long day, and I'm just going to filling it. Use a lip balm before you apply any liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick, because it will going to dry in your lips and give you a chapped lip. That's why. And it is just going to give me that long lasting finish, and do not have the worry to touch up again and again, because it will going to last for a longer time and giving me matte finish. And this is the final look, and I hope you guys like this look, and it will help you out to create your look. And yes, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, and yes, stay tuned with my channel. This is SANSKRUTI signing up. Bye. have a nice day and nice weekend.